Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 power plan keeps changing problem. Type power options in Windows search bar. Click power and sleep settings. Click additional power settings. Click change plan settings. Click restore default settings for this plan. Click yes to continue. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click yes to continue. Type power CFG /list. Select any power plan GUID. Type GPedit in Windows search bar. Click gpedit.msc. Click and expand administrative templates under computer configuration. Click and expand system. Click and expand power management. Open specify a custom active power plan. Check enabled and paste already copied the power plan GUID. Click apply, OK and close group policy editor. Restart system. Third method is click Start, Settings. Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot. Click Additional Troubleshooters. Click Power, click Run the troubleshooter. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.